Can you imagine sending your child abroad in the middle of a pandemic? Believe it or not, thousands of parents around the world are letting their high school students continue with their plans to do an exchange in the United States this year. In this video, we'll meet Paula from Spain. Let's find out why her parents decided to let her go. My name is Brenda. I'm a specialist in cultural diversity. My daughters were studying abroad precisely when the pandemic hit, so I'm very sympathetic to parents who decide to go ahead with cultural exchanges. So let's meet Paula. She is from Valladolid, Spain. That's about 2 hours from Madrid. She's very excited about her exchange this year, and when we asked her why she decided to go ahead with it, she precisely mentioned the chat that she had with her parents. So let's hear her story.
Hi everyone, I'm Paula and I'm an exchange student from Spain. I'm 15 years old and I'm going to be studying here in the US for the next 10 months. I'm very excited to be here and I'm very happy too because I've been waiting for this opportunity for so long. I'm gonna be here despite the pandemic, and to be honest, I'm not really worried about it because I think the only thing we have to do is to be careful, and you guys have to think that with this virus the same situation is gonna be like all over the world. I talked with my parents and they agree that this is a great opportunity to get to know like all the American culture and habits and like to meet new people. I'm having really good expectations about this year. I'm hoping to meet really nice people and have new friends. So if you guys are thinking about coming this year, I would definitely choose that option because I assure you will have a lot of fun and you will learn a lot. Thank you.
So Paula's parents are interested in having her learn another culture. They know this is a perfect time of her life to really absorb a cultural experience, just like a sponge. I understand that line of reasoning. That's exactly what I was thinking when I had to make the decision whether or not to let my kids stay and finish their year abroad. I thought, you know, they can shelter here with us or they can shelter right where they are and live this experience in the culture that they've chosen to immerse themselves in this year. And I'm seeing that that is exactly what's happening this year as well. So welcome to the United States, Paula, and congratulations to your lovely host family in Indianapolis. We hope that you have an amazing year together. And what about you? Would you like to enrich your life through cultural exchange? You could subscribe to this channel. We're making videos about all aspects of cultural diversity. And you could subscribe to the ICES blog. This project is all about using cultural diversity to make our lives and our families more fun and more fascinating.